Construction planning and scheduling. Introduction. We'll look at a concept that may appear familiar, but sometimes causes confusion: the distinction between planning and scheduling. Although these names are frequently used interchangeably, they each have unique meanings and roles in project management. Let us investigate the intricacies and meaning of each as we read the text. Part 1. Planning and Scheduling Fundamentals. It is critical to understand the fundamental distinction between these two notions. You may have heard the terms planning and scheduling used interchangeably, but they are not synonymous. Planning entails determining what, how, where, and by whom. On the other hand, scheduling is the process of defining when specific tasks will be completed. It is critical to understand that efficient scheduling is dependent on appropriate planning. Without a well-thought-out plan, it is impossible to develop a meaningful schedule. Part 2. The construction role. How do these ideas manifest themselves in the construction industry? Blueprints and specifications outline the overall aim and general timescale for construction projects. They may not, however, describe the specific steps, sequence, or time. In this case, planning and scheduling must address determining how, what, who, and where, and when. Construction scheduling relies around time. A schedule is a timeline of actions that answers the questions what, by whom, and when. Part 3. From everyday life to building. We all plan and schedule on a daily basis, even if it is informal. We organize our jobs mentally and make to-do lists. These simple approaches assist us in efficiently managing our time. Planning and scheduling grow increasingly formal and detailed in the building industry. The process begins with pre-construction and requires coordination among numerous parties. Conclusion. Planning and scheduling are not synonymous terms. Remember that planning decides the what, how, by whom, and where. But scheduling defines the when,